off my screen. How dare you stay on? I gotta get rid of you. I'm not gonna bother about. I got here, special delivery. Oh yeah. What is it, you say? Square and round. Well, something you put on. The Action 5 Pro. Oh man, did I get that on perfect? Is it causing any issues? Not gonna worry about me touching the screen because nothing's gonna happen. Get my thumb off the screen area, fish. This is what you would call lens flare. When the sun is over here in the 10 and 2 o'clock position, it causes a trumpet that people are upset about. It ruins their sunshine shot. Get it? SSS. And yeah, what could you do to prevent it? Make a 3D printed cover, a hood that covers partial of the lens. Well, let me stop and do one of these. Is it interfering when I shake? Any vignetting? Any barrel distortion? EIS? Whoa! Now what if I take off EIS? And what if I shoot in ultra wide? Through the back of the camera, I got lens distortion. Give a little shake. Do you see the lens in there? The hood, that is? Oh, the sun is shining in my eyes, man. As you can see, I'm doing all this good stuff and turning around. And I'm without EIS on, but in standard mode. I apologize. I was in rock steady mode. Difficult for me to see when the sunglasses are on. But no lens flare with the sun. 11:30, like right here. Now at the 1 o'clock position. When I look at it, man, it looks good. Better than what DJI would give you, a lens hood on the Action 304. And they say it's going to take the glare away, night shot, and improve it. If you cannot have fun making a video, then why make a video if it's not fun? You need a bed, maybe a couch, a sofa. Pull the sucker out of your pocket. It stays on, doesn't fall off. Oh man, I got light bulbs because I want to see how much flare I can get to my camera. I just want to go out and test out the lens hood, but I want to wait for the wee hours of the early morning when I shine my camera towards the street lights. You should call me a street light fanboy. Nah, I do my vlogs in the wee hours and during the daytime, but yet can't get rid of those trumpets. So that's why we got a lens hood made to see what it looks like on the camera. And I want to thank my gig user. Give him the ultimate shout out. Yo, my gig user. Thank you for the lens hood and additional accessories that come with it. Head on over to my gig user's channel. Check him on out. He should have a tutorial on how to make the filter. So let me do one thing. Man, let me try to twist it off, take it off. I don't want to cut my video and ruin the shot. But that's what the filter looks like. Oh man, pick the color of your choice and off you go. And on that note, I'm Fish, and thank you, my gig user. Oh, don't complain because super wide, ultra wide doesn't work. It's not meant to be used with ultra wide. If you wanted to, then you gotta start to cut the filter out and zoom in and do all this good stuff. Beggars cannot be choosy. Have a great day. We got the lens hood on and doing those sample shots for you. And we have a street light riding along. You can see if there is going to be a lens flare. And I see See it, it's there. Nothing you could do about it. So how could you get rid of that? Daytime. And keep the sun to your back. And you won't have lens flare. But at least you could give it a shot to take some of it away, but not all of it. Straightforward shot, like the ambulance lights blinking and on and shining in your eyes. A street light up ahead. Would lens flare? Yes, indeed. It should some. Let's ride on by into another street light. And these settings will also take the jitter out of the video. And what are they? Oh yeah, they're the secret sauce. So here I am, knowing that the filter fits the Action 4, Action 3, and Action 5 Pro. Beautiful indeed. Is it going to stop the flares 100%? I don't think so. It's going to prevent flares for sure. But if you're going dead on, how are you going to stop a flare dead on in the camera? For example, how are you going to stop this coming dead on? Well, look at my thumb right here. My glasses is flaring. And it's right on to the camera. So yeah, things do flare. Well, the flare happens mostly at 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock at a 10 o'clock position to the camera. And there's nothing we could do about flares. It's a trumpet. Oh yeah, man, that trumpet playing. It's not a trumpet. Oh, the trumpet's playing and doing. That's a trumpet. It's more like a bugle. You know what a bugle is? Bugles. Look up that snack. Cone shape. It's a cone shaped sphere. It's a funny looking one. We all got a name for it, but it becomes quite annoying. Yeah, man. It is what it is. You do your best to do what you got to do. Well, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you're interested in making one of these and it did stop the flare, oh yeah, man, check out the links below. You see a link for this lens hood, another lens hood that I didn't show, a Y adapter so you could do your own comparisons, and the lens protector tool. And you have my gig user to thank for making this files and sharing it to you. And on that note, I'm Fish. Big thank you, my buddy. Thank you very much, my gig user, for sending me the parts so I could check out. And if anybody's interested, down below, support the gentleman, check out his channel, download the file, and say thank you. Have a great day.